Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In previous video we already seen all the HVAC modeling. Okay, I'm not doing the coordination. Suppose here it is clashing and here it is clashing, we will see later. Okay, but I will tell you some parts in this video as well. Suppose here it is clashing, so we can shift either this side or this side. Okay, so for the coordination, model coordination, we have to do meeting, and as per the client instruction we need to modify. Okay, we cannot simply move either thither up and down because everything is as per the design model. Okay, so after meeting then we can take the decision. Okay, but no issue, I will let you know. Here the piping is remaining, so we will see 2-3 FCU how to connect. Okay, so because of the videos don't go too much longer, I make the video shorter so that everyone watch easily. Okay, otherwise I can finish all the things, but it will be very tough to watch longer videos. Okay, see here the chill water supply and return is coming here and connecting in the header. Okay, but here no elevation is given. See, no elevation is given, so I am supposing that the elevation is same as per the FCU outlet pipe. Okay, here if I will zoom, here only out is showing, out pipe. Where is in pipe? Chill water supply in pipe. So for connection of this FCU I have to take the section. Okay, take and go. After that, see, here is the drain and in and out pipe. So I have to find. Now we can draw chill water return and chill water supply line. Okay, see, this is chill water return. Okay, so I will take draw pipe, this come to the header. Okay, after that I can align with reference to this, and to this. Fine. Then what I will do, this is chill water, I will tap HH. Now this is chill water supply line, but here it is showing chill water return. Okay, I will change. See, chill water supply line, it should show. Good. Chill water supply line. See, here also it is showing chill waters. Chill water return. delete. This is chilled water supply. Okay, chilled water supply. So we can draw this chilled water supply and chilled water supply. Fine. And align with the CAD file, right? Here also it is aligned. Fine, we can adjust. Then HR for reveal the hidden pipe. Okay, see, so we can adjust also. After that the header is here, so what I will do, I will take this chilled water any pipe, okay, and create similar inherit elevation. Okay, and what is the size of this pipe, not given here, so I will measure 40. Come here, create similar inherit elevation, slope is off and 40. Okay, and I am starting from here. Okay, here, that's it. And after that our pipe is up to here, so what I will do, just take the detail line up to here, okay, and make the a line from this point to our pipe. See, easily I draw. Okay, our yellow line is here, so I will take draw pipe and here. Also I will select this one, copy, come here, select and adjust, or we can adjust like this and align. Then we can select or simply delete this one, delete, and this pipe I will change chill water return, right? Chill water return, and here also chill water return. See, then I will draw pipe and come here, then I will align with the CAD file. Fine. Also here I can align. So header is created. Okay, I create the header easily. Here, and if I want to connect, let's connect, it is okay or what? Yes, it's connected, fine, no issue. After that, here let's try, simply drag and click. Yes, of course it is connected here, see, fine. Then I will, and also here no place, see, then I will start to connect this one and this one. Okay, so let's start, let's do it. Here Firstly, I will take one section line, then go to view, here change the detail, fine, then here come and out, after that in, okay. See, if I will draw this, it will slightly here clashing. We can check in 3D. Yes, see, here it is clashing. Okay, we will see. And if I will start to draw this one, this pipe, the in pipe, it is also, I think, slightly clash with the trap. Let's check. No, it's not clashing. See, so in pipe is okay, fine. Here in pipe is fine, but this pipe is slightly clashing. So this is topic of coordination, but I will show you what I will do. Just cut this one pipe, okay, and if I will do it here like this, then it is see, it will clash here or it will connect here. So what I will do, just tab and HS for temporary hide, and I will take 45 degree. Okay, your 45 degree pipe is available. Here 45 degree pipe is available, right? So 45 degree, then I will come here directly, okay, like this. And let's check in 3D, it is fine or clashing anywhere. See, it is fine. So like this we can avoid to clash. See, it is fine now, absolutely fine, not clashing anywhere. And then what we will do, we can connect here, okay, here align, and drag here. See, it is not catching here. I have no idea why. Sometimes it happens here. If I'm connecting here, I'm trying to connect here, then it's not creating the T. Okay, so what is the solution for this one? You will see here. What I will do, just create one section here, go to view, check the detail view, create similar, create one T. So now T is creating. Okay, what I will do, I will just make this the pipe diameter same as this diameter, 20 mm. Then I will align. Fine. After that we can reduce and try to connect. It is connected. Yes, see, now it is connecting perfectly. See, now if we want to reduce the height, we can reduce the height here as much as we can. Okay, fine. So this is the way to avoid the clash, and this is the topic of coordination. Okay, now next is this thing, how to connect this one. See, we cannot align this pipe. If I will try to align, then our FCU will be up and down. Okay, elevation will be changed. And also if this thing, if I will try to align, then header will be up and down, elevation will be changed. So what I will do, I have to make also here I can take like offset. Okay, here, or we can take the 45 degree, because 45 degree elbow is available in the market, right? So 45 degree elbow, then yes, then we can come here and down, then again align and align. Fine. See, the here also problem, the elbow, the T is not coming, right? Here, if even I press the tab key, then similarly I will do. Here create similar, go for T and reduce the size. Okay, and then align with this one, then now fine here. Okay, because see this T we can also slightly offset and connect here, but this T is easily 45 degree elbow is easily available in the market, so and also it will be easy to connect, that's why I make this like this. Okay, fine. So delete the section, no longer need. Now I will go for next. You have to connect here. Similarly, I'll make one section, reduce the section length, here, go to view, and out up to here, and in here. Okay, still view this one fine. Draw pipe, and come here. Okay, then HH to hide temporary, and draw pipe and come up to here. Fine. HR. Now in 3D, if we check, see, same thing here also, it is clashing. Okay, and the inlet pipe is fine. See, inlet pipe is fine. Here, here also slightly clashing. See, so what I will do same thing here. I will cut this line here and here, then I will do the 45 degree, fine, and go to up to here, fine. Then to downside, if I want also, I can cut this one here, delete, and draw pipe 45 degree, yes, here, and come here, downside. Check in 3D. See, now not clashing anywhere, then we can easily connect. Okay, here let's try if it is connecting directly or what. It is again showing the problem, same problem, so I will do the same. Okay, I have to align here this thing to this pipe, here this to this. Not connecting, so I will make one section. I'll make one section here, and will try to connect. Come here, create similar, change the size. Okay, and here to here, align, then it's connected. Now fine, we can check in also 3D. See, now fine. Then you will come here in supply line, create similar, change the size, Okay, okay, make the pipe short and align to this pipe. Fine, see, both is connected. Okay, so after that what I will do, just delete this section, no longer required. Okay, this 3 FCU I already connected, and also this part I will show in next video because my video is now going to longer. So see, I will show you here. It is connected fine. What about this? Also this is connected fine. Okay, and this thing also fine. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you learn, then subscribe. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.